Ladies and gentlemen, ke a le dumedisa. Ka lebitso ke Ntate Letsie Mohlwai, Managing Director at Progressive Design Studio. Progressive Design Studio is an architectural firm, 6 years running, ha re bua tjena. Today, we are proud to bring you a double story in Green City, penapena, in collaboration with OM Investments. This double story is a 4-bedroom house, all of them on which they are ensuites. On the ground floor, we have a single garage. We have an open concept, kitchen and dining, with a scullery, see a bit portable. We also have a main lounge, kahona katlas kamono. We have a powder room and also a single bedroom which acts as a master bedroom. Moving forward, on the first floor, we have 3 bedrooms, one of which is the main master bedroom in a walk-in closet and in a bathroom. We also have 2 other bedrooms. Letsona ke di ensuites. Anyway, it has a closet and also a bathroom. Ha engwe yona ina le a bathroom, e le jwalo fela, in a built-in closet. The concept monana was to take advantage of the natural lighting. Ke mo gona le bonang these big windows tse le gore di entse all around the house, mmoho le the corner window which take advantage of the surroundings, the natural lighting. We would like to thank, as Progressive Design Studio, OM Investments, together with the contractor, for this wonderful piece of art on which we designed. Kannete re a leboha le Basotho ka support e ba re fileng yona throughout the years, especially le months tsena tse fetileng, which is when we really saw growth within our company. This house will mark maybe around the second finished product in which design was extraordinary. Senze le tseba yane e marabeng. So ka hona ka leboha OM Investments. Thank you, Basotho.